Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel. We are back once again. And we are looking at the Grand Wagoneer and regular Wagoneer today. So obviously not quite for sale yet, but we can actually take a look at them. So let's do that. Alright, so here we go guys. So we got two different models that are currently available to look at in building out your Wagoneer, but you also have four model options in the Grand Wagoneer. So we'll start with the baby Wagoneer here, and we'll see what we have. So we have the Series 2 and we have the Series 3. Now if I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, so where's the Series 1? Stupid question, right? Absolutely, but still, very interesting. Alright, so let's take a look at Series 2. Whatever that means. I really don't know what that means, but okay, so I'm looking at it, and what do I see? I see a cross between so from right here I see a GMC Acadia. From about right here I see a Chevy Tahoe, and right about here I'm seeing a Toyota RAV4, and back here I see a mix of Durango and Land Rover. Now is that a critique? Not necessarily, but I see all of those vehicles I just mentioned I see in this outline. So this vehicle is not iconic in its styling or silhouette, so that's kind of disappointing, but we'll move on from there. Alright, so we have, obviously this is the Velvet Red, we have the Diamond, we have the Baltic, we have the Silver, and of course we have the, don't have to pay anything, that really doesn't look like a white, it looks more like a cream right here, but it says it's white, so there we go. Okie dokie, let's go with the Silver for right now. Check out the wheel options. Ooh. Oh yeah, definitely go with the bigger wheel options. That looks good. Man, look at that. Ooh boy. Let's see, interior. Ooh, leather trimmed seats. So this is not all leather, but leather trimmed seats. I'm worried about what this is going to look like. Okay, so it wasn't the mother color that I was thinking of. So that's the light color. Can't go with that. Go with the black, obviously. Why does the passenger need an interactive display? Okay, people, so let's think about this. So, obviously the driver needs to be driving, so he can't have a interactive display. But the passenger who isn't driving can not only work this thing for the driver, but can also work a GPS if it's not working on here, but also they can use their interactive phone display, or tablet for that matter, and be looking up whatever they need to look up over here. That's my thought anyways. I don't know. I'm not sure why I'd pay $1,195 to put another screen over here when there's a screen right there and probably a screen in my hand. That doesn't make any sense. So anyways, we're skipping that. Let's see here. Rear seat entertainment. No thank you. Convenience. Automatic high beam. Drowsy driver detection. Heated second row seats, blah 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 blah. Nope. Second row seating group. Captain's chairs. Row seat for 7 passengers seating. Yes, please. Heavy duty trailer tow package. Ooh yeah, heavy duty engine cooling. Yes, please. I'm interested in what the get all weather mat there. Mentioned what the engine is, and it comes standard with the 5.7 liter with e-torque. What does that mean? I don't remember how the e-torque works. If I remember correctly, what it does is it doesn't have an electric motor in the regular sense of a hybrid. What it is that throughout the powertrain it has different electric engines that are hooked up to the regular engine electrical system that takes away from having a pulley system, so that helps the engine be a little bit more efficient. I don't remember, but look at that, 392 horsepower, 404 pounds of torque. That's pretty good. So that's 76 grand right there. I call that expensive, but it looks pretty good on the interior. It looks pretty good in there. So, anyways, let's go to the next model, which is the 3 Series. Same color options. Not much has changed there. Go with those wheels. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't cost you anything. Currently. Check out the interior. Interior is the same. Convenience group. All the options are basically the same there, so I'm not sure what you're getting differently. So, okay. So, nothing going on there. So, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. Because I got to... There we go. There it is. So, go to the Grand Wagoneer. Okay. I'm looking at this right here, and that looks pretty good. Oh, look at this, people. The Grand Wagoneer has a Series 1, a Series 2, a whatever that is, and a Series 3. Not sure why they skipped one. Might as well just done a Series 4. But hey, I don't know what they're doing. So there we go. I'm going to guess that basically the features are the same, but we'll check out Series 1 here and see what's going on. Ooh, we got 2-tone options, which is going on. Looks good. Red looks better. Wheels. Those look like Tahoe wheels. They really do. They look like Tahoe wheels, which is interesting. Looks like we got same basic interior options. Embossed metal interior accents. What does that do? Ooh. That looks pretty cool. Alrighty. Second row seating option. Convenience group. Let's see here. Gonna add this stuff as usual. Ooh, hello. And then we upgrade to the 6.4 liter engine, making 471 horsepower. Okay, so that's what you're paying extra for on the Grand Wagoneer, is to get your 6.4 liter. Very, very nice. Oh wow, 455 pounds of torque. Not too bad. Pretty good. Alrighty, so there we go. So let's see, that's 92,000. Right there. Yes, please. I want to move on. Series 2 is going to be probably about the same, but I'm interested because it looks like they have a different trim here, so let's check that out. Alright, so not too much in the color options, so we'll probably go with that right there. Looks like you get tinted polish, wheels, there's your seats. Not many options on this boy. Not sure what's so special about him, honestly. It looks, I mean, you get a little bit of a different grill. Let's scroll up here, look at the back of it. Yeah, I don't really see what's so... I mean, obviously these are just basic options, so you're not getting all of them. But I don't really see what's so special about this particular trim. But it looks nice. It looks good. And then obviously you got the top of the line Series 3. So obviously you got the same basic options here. So let's see, is that the... Yep, okay. Go with the red there. Comes standard with those. Switch of... Ooh, there we go. So, got a little bit of a different wheel there. So that looks nice. Alrighty. What colors do we have in here? Ooh, nice. Nice light bluish gray. And... this one looks a little bit better because the wood's a bit of a lighter color, it looks like. But... let's go with the blue. That looks better. Let's see, what does they do that? Nope. Much better. Okay. Let's see. Second row, heavy duty, Wagoneer, and obviously same engine setup and stuff. And that's going to put you at 108,000 buckaroos. that interior right there, that, ooh boy, that looks good. This interior right here, that looks really, really nice. So let me see, that's the whites. Can we do that? Nope. Okay, undo. Can we do that? Okay, so we can do that color with that interior. Ooh, looks like we got like a little American flag there or something. I'm not sure. Looks like an American flag going on there. Huh. Interesting. Anyways, that is a cool interior. I like that. That's a nice color. I haven't seen a good blue interior in a long time. So that looks nice. Okay. So honestly, what do I think? Honestly, not sure. Everything's a little bit out of my price range, honestly. So I'd say I'd probably go with the base model on all of these. The regular Wagoneer as well. I didn't really see a big difference, so I'd probably go with like the top level regular Wagoneer. Obviously, again let's see, what engine was in here? I think it was the 5.7. Yep, again the 5.7. So I mean that's not bad. So I'd probably go with one of those, then just go with the black interior and stuff. So, but I mean I don't know. I'm not really sure which one I'd go with. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely it really looks good. But I mean look at this side here. That looks like a Tahoe. It really does. It looks just like a Chevy Tahoe. Which, I mean, I guess that's what they're going after, but still, it just seems like you get a little bit of a different profile to be able to break up the style. But, anyways, it looks good, though. I do like it. It looks good. So, cool. Those are the options, guys. I really don't know what I would go with on that. So, you can comment down below which one you'd like, but they all look pretty good. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. That is the Grand Wagoneer and regular Wagoneer, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.